How you doing, geography? Thanks a lot for making those videos the last gold day. I know it might seem like it's kind of busy work, but missing you guys and miss seeing your faces, hearing your voices. You're my 8th graders. You know, I don't get much time with you. And with this year kind of ending abruptly, I want to see you guys again. You know, it sucks. So appreciate you guys doing that. If you haven't done a video yet, go back to that last gold day. It is still an assignment. And please get that done because I do want to just make sure that you guys are alive and well. You know, again, I miss seeing you, miss hearing your voices, so that kind of lifted up my spirits a little bit. So thanks a lot for doing that. Although it may seem kind of out of place, but today we're going to get back into it. We're still going to continue on with Africa. What you're going to be doing today is a Edpuzzle video. So go over to edpuzzle.com. There's going to be a geography of Africa video. It's about 10 minutes long with questions along with it. Make sure to get that done by tomorrow. What is it? So yeah, tomorrow by noon. Otherwise, I have to mark you absent. Yeah, I think it's a fairly easier assignment. Next week, we're going to continue with Africa for another day. Do a short little project on some of the physical features of it. I don't think we're going to have a full-on Africa test, but as you've probably noticed, most of these things are kind of getting graded as summatives as well. So it kind of all evens out in the end. It actually is probably helping a lot of you out. That may, you know, if you do bad on one thing, you have a lot of other things that can kind of improve your score. So, yeah, head over to edpuzzle.com, do that video assignment, and have a nice weekend. Hopefully it doesn't take you too long. Again, I really appreciate you guys doing those videos. If you haven't, please go back and do it because, yeah, lifts my spirits a little bit. I'm getting bored not having kids, not having you guys to talk to, and being my 8th graders, I am going to really miss you guys. So hope you guys have a good day, have a good weekend. We'll continue on with Africa next week. Yeah, have a good one. See you later.